Welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudiyal, and today in this tutorial I will show you how to create watercolor typography in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start. So these are my textures and these all are in PNG format. Remember your brushes textures images should be in PNG format. So first I'm going to write the text. And now I'm going to change its font. So select the text and go to type and here font. From here select the font you want. Now place the brush texture at the back of the text. Like this. Now select both and right click and select make clipping mask. Here you go. Now I'm going to show you more examples. So this is how you can create watercolor typography in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.